In this video, I will show you how you can duplicate your website on Wix. So first of all, make sure that you select the website that you want to duplicate. To do that, simply hover over to the top left corner and click on Go to all sites. Now choose the site you want to duplicate and simply click on Select and Edit Site. So now we have to open the site editor, and in order to do that, you have to hover over to the bottom left corner and click on Edit Site. And once you are in the editor, you have to click on Site in the upper left corner and click on Duplicate Site. Here you can change the name of your duplicate, so I'm just gonna name it Golden Grasp 2 and click on Duplicate. And now if we go to all sites, it should be there. As you can see, now we have a duplicate that is not published. So this can be useful if you want to play around with certain settings or if you want to change things up and see if it works. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.